sumusunod nga mga leaders, your voice matters. Kaya kamo naman po yung musunod dali sa atubangan. Right, partner?
Yes. That's right. Everyone has a role to play in shaping our community or school. We'll provide all the information on how you can contribute, but just know this, your voice matters. Whether you're interested in being a leader in one of our campaigns or want to spread the word, there's a place for you.
So yes, now let's not make this long. Let's return the representative of Equal Voice Party. We have from grade 9, Mr. Ian De La Cruz. Let's give him a round of applause.
Good morning, teenagers. I am Giancarlo De La Cruz, 14 years old, from grade 8 Generosity. I am running to be grade 9 representative. I listen to your ideas, share your concern, and work hard to make our time here better. I love your support. Please vote wisely. Daghang salamat.
Alright, thank you, Ian J. Let's proceed now to representative from grade 11 from Empower Lead Party MVP. We have Miss Christine Osho. Oh, I'm sorry, yes, grade 10, Mr. Mark C.J. Madera.
A pleasant morning, everyone. Especially to our principal, Mr. Diosdado Isalas, to all of our teachers, to my fellow students, good morning. Before I continue my speech, to those who doesn't know me yet, let me introduce myself first. I am RCGB Madera, running as grade 10 representative under the Empower Lead and Succeed Party, and I believe in teamwork and collaboration. As your representative, I will listen to all of your concerns. Work with you to find solutions and make sure everyone's voice is heard. Once again, I am RCTV Madera, running as grade 10 representative. So please vote me. And once again, good morning everyone and thank you.
Thank you, Mark C.J. Madera. And now let us hear from Equal Voice Party, grade 10 representative, Raymar Perez. A big round of applause, please.
Good day, everyone! Hello, mga energy, uy! Dapat energy kay nabuntag. Again, good day, everyone! Hello, uy, dapat ko din support team. Okay, I'm Raymar Gumatay Peros, 15 years old, from Tambungan, Candy High Bohol. I want to be your grade 10 representative because I care about making our school year better. I promise to listen to your problems, make school more fun, and be your voice to the teacher. Vote for Raymar Gumatay Peros, and together we can make our school, our grade 10 amazing. Thank you. Once again, this is Raymar Gumatay Peros, running for grade 10 representative. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. Rene Materos. Lalo para mag-introduction o kanang Miss Universe. Ay? Yes, ano si Raymar ko andaw. He promised to listen to you. So, you will think, kinsa yung butaran yun. Now, proceed to grade 11 representative from Empower Lead Party. We have Miss Kristen Osho. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. I stand here you.
Thank you, Christine Osho. Now let's hear from Equal Voice Party. Grade 11 representative, Rosemary Enojales. A round of applause, please.
Good morning to all students and also to all teachers, and especially Sir Diosdado A. Salas. I'm here in front of you to introduce myself. My name is Rose Enojales, and I'm running for your SSLG representative for grade 11. And also, please vote me as a representative of grade 11 and vote for my team, Equal Voice Party.
Alright, thank you, Rosemary. Christine Osho. Now let's hear from grade 11 representative from Equal Voice Party. We have Rosemary Enojales. Alright, okay, nalibog si ma'am. Alright, si Rosemary Enojales na itong kinanghan. Let's proceed now to the grade 12, ma'am, no? Yes, grade
Yes,
12
grade from Empower Lead. Empower Lead Party. From grade 12, Roysano Anino. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, teenagers! Especially to our beloved principal, Mr. Diosdado A. Salas, and the co-teacher in Tambangan National High School. I'm your top representative from ELS Party, or the Empower, Lead, and Succeed Party. The purpose of this party is magtinabangay ta mo sa titilis tabungan. Kung akong ikaingon ninyo, dili ko makapromise, kay mo rin lang ingon, promise turns to sorry. Pero, akong buhaton ang akong makaya o makaingon mo nga, deserving ko ani nga position. Once again, I'm Rosen Anino, grade 12 representative of ELS Party. Thank you.
Alright, wow. That was indeed an introduction. No? Empower. Ikaw na si Jean mag-promise nga. Sa tulong? Ikaw siya mag-promise pero siyang buhatan o siyang best para makalid sa school. Thank you again, Mr. Roysano Anino. Now, let's hear from Equal Voice Party.
Grade 12 representative, Luis Anton Marcos.
Let's give him a round of applause.
May buntag, teenagers, and happy Valentine's Day. Ako ni Ice Luis Anton Marcos, usahan ka grade 11 yung student. Ug ako karon mudagan sa pagka-grade 12 representative. Nangayon ko karon sa inyong suporta, labi na sa akong mga ka-grade 11, ug sa akong mga kauban. Na ako karon sa Equal Voice Party, nga gipangunahan ni Johnny Coalizon Utihi. Kunta, nangayon ko karon sa inyong pagtuong, salig, ug suporta. Kunta, karong eleksyon, makadaog kami. Please vote wisely. Daghang salamat.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Luis Anton. And we are down from the speeches of our representatives. Once again, sa representative, when you vote representative, inyong botahan kung kinsa to'y nag-represent sa inyong grade level. So kung grade 7 or grade 8 mo, you have to vote for grade 8, 9, and then so on. Alright? Without further ado, ma'am, let's proceed and let's hear the speeches for our candidates as peace officers.
Let us start with Empower, Lead, and Succeed. Candidate, Pachicos Baal Bosano. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, TNHS! My name is Pachicos Baal Bosano.
and I am running for the position of Peace Officer under the ALS party. Empower, lead, and succeed. Today, I stand before you to share my vision and express my dedication in making a positive difference in our school community. I ask for your trust and support electing me as a student council. Thank you for your time, and remember, voice matters. Once again, I am Chicos Balbosano, because together we can make difference. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Tarchicos Balbosano. Mr. Tarchicos Balbosano is from grade 10. So, starting off from Peace Officer, PIO, Auditor, Treasurer, Secretary, Vice President, and then President, you can vote nilang duha. Ha? For ang kalahian sa representative, isa ra yung botan sa inyong section grade 11. O dahil sa itong mga major na mga line up, you can vote nila either nilang duha. Alright, let's hear from the opposition. We have from Equal Voice Party, Mr. James Durel Castañares from grade 10.
Mayong buntag na itong tanan. Nabina sa atong pinakagwapong principal na si Sir Diosdado Salas ug sa mga macho ug sexy nga mga teachers usab. Ako si James Darrell Castañares, mudagan isip usa ka protocol officer. Ako nindagan dili para may lado lamang, kundi idagan ko para sa tinuray nga pagserbisyo. Kung tagaan mo ninyong tsansa ng daw, ako na ninguma nga magmalinawon o magrespetuhay ang matag usa. Kung inyo kong mataran, managan ang buhutan. Uganda mo serbisyo sa 24, 25 oras. Sa makausap, ay ninyo kalimti ang pangalan ni James Darrell Castañares, running for protocol officer, kung nabilong na ko sa Equal Voice Party. Happy Valentine's Day sa tanan.
Thank you. Just you know, the rule of peace officer student is multifaceted. Police officers are entrusted with significant power and peace officer students are trying to uphold ethical standards, respect human rights, and make sound judgments.
Alright, now we are down to our public information officer. What is the role of the public information officer? They are the manager of communication. So sila ay mag-deliver ninyo og dili chismis ha. Sila ay mag-deliver og message mga pahibalo gikan sa ato ang principal or from the school. So di na nato tugayan pa. Let's proceed from let's hear the speech from Empower, Lead, and Succeed ELS Party. Candidate for Peace Information Officer, Mr. Emman J. Alaria, a student from grade 10. Let's give him a round of applause. Dili ko ng Mr. nga na si John, Mr. Judma, or insay ko sa lo, Miss.
Nakulawan ko si Miss, ay Mr. rather. Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan! I am Emman J. Alaria, a grade 10 student. I'm running for position of PIO. If you think that I am capable in this position, please vote me and my team. That's all, Captain Cap.
Kapuna Cap. Thank you, Emman J. from grade 10. Now let's hear from the party.
Party, PIO, Benz Dave Vermont. Round of applause, please.
May buntag dahil sa tanan, sa teachers, ug sa atong gwapo nga principal dahil. So, ako dahil si Vince De Vermoy running as a PIO under the Equal Voice Association. So I hope na enjoying suportaan ug ato sad. So, wali ko i-promise kay ate I will do my best nga para sa mas payat ng mga information nga ganap importante di pa ng mga information. Mga to, thank you everyone.
Alright, thank you.
Benz Dave Vermoy. So, ingon si Benz Dave, ingon si Jabo Promise, pero Jabuhaton ang
Buhatag ko ni siyang tanan, ma'am. By the way, Benz Dave Vermoy is from SA grade 11 student. Now, without further ado, let's proceed to the next candidate running for auditor. So, what is the role of an auditor? Si Chai tig audit o kwarta. He is or she is the one who will examine, evaluate financial records and operations. So, you have to kilates kinsa may kamao mo audit o kwarta here. Alright, let's hear from Empower Lead and Succeed Party. Candidate for auditor, Mr. Melmar Escamado, a grade 10 student.
Good morning everyone. I am honored to stand before you today as a candidate of SLG officer. So wala pa nakabalo sa akong pangalan. My name is Melmar C. Escamado. I'm running for the auditor officer. Under the ALS party, Empower Lead Succeed. Palihog sa ligi o butari ko ninyo. Maoray niya kamasturya, dengan salamat o God bless niyong tanan.
Thank you, Milmar. And now let's hear from Equal Voice Party. Third, Julieta Lompon Hinojales. Great. Let us give her a round of applause.
Good morning, TNHS. I am Julieta Hinojales, 17 years old, from grade 11 youths, running as auditor under the Equal Voice Party. So, willing ko nga mag-take of responsibility, magtinabagay ta para sa kagaadyo sa atong campus. Mag-respetuan na ita, bilang isa ka estudyante na hingati sa TNHS. Once again, Julieta Hinojales, running as auditor under Equal Voice Party. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Alright, thank you, Ms. Julieta Hinojales. Now we are down for the candidates for treasurer. So what is the role of treasurer? If ang auditor mo audit, mo check sa kwarta, the role of the treasurer is to keep the money or the overall financial management. So you have to check, you have to see who kinsa pa murag trustworthy na student. Okay? Alright, let's proceed and let's hear from the candidate from Empower Lead and Succeed Party. We have candidate for treasurer, Miss Rayan May Rabe. Let's give her a round of applause. Rayan May Rabe is a grade 10 student.
Good morning, everyone. I am Riamir Ramos Ravi, running for the position of treasurer under the ALS Party, Empower, Lead, and Succeed. Today, I ask for your trust and support in electing me as your treasurer. Once again, I am Riamir Ravi. If you think that I am capable in this position, your vote really matters. That's all. Happy Hearts Day and thank you.
Alright, thank you, Miss Rami Rabe.
Attention, Equal Voice Party, Angel Cinco.
A grade 11 student. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good morning, Tambungan National High School. Oh my God, I can feel the energy of each and everyone. Again, good morning, Tambungan National High School. Good morning. Oh my God, it's okay. And especially to our beloved and handsome Principal Sergio Dado E. Salas. Good morning. Before anything else, I want to introduce myself formally. I am Maria Angel Cinco, a grade 11 youth student under the Equal Voice Party. I stand before you today to express my deep interest in serving as your SSLG treasurer. I understand that being a treasurer means more than just keeping the money safe. It's more careful planning, accurate record keeping, and ensuring every centavo is used effectively to support our school's activities. I'm not going to promise kay di tanang ni Saad tinodon. Oh, ayaw mo payalan sa iyang gugmang giatik day. But I will do my best to serve and do my responsibility as an SSLG officer if I will be given a chance to win this position. And to keep the money safe, and thank you for your time, and I urge you to vote for me, and together let's build a stronger and more financially secure SSLG and choose wisely.
Alright, thank you, Miss Angel May. Nakadumog mo. Di ko na si Ja mo promise, pero she will try her best to secure a well-managed financial statement sa eskwelahan. So you have to thank insa sila sa ilang duha ang deserving for the role as a treasurer. Alright, now let's down for the candidates for secretary. So what is the role of a secretary? Takes what? Yes, takes what? The role of a secretary is to account, to write all the minutes of the meeting. So, tanawon ninyo nilang duha o kinsa ang deserve and kinsa ay dili tapuan mosudwat og minutes of the meeting. Alright, now let's hear first from the candidate for secretary from the party of Empower, Lead and Success. We have Miss Elame Casel Beron from the student from grade 10. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good day, fellow students! And happy Valentine's Day to all. Okay pa ba mo? By the way, sa wapa na kailan ako, I'm Elamia Casel Beron, running for a secretary this school year 2025 to 2026. If you think that I'm capable for this position, then cast your vote for me and all the members of ELS party. As your future school secretary, I promise to be your voice, your advocate, and your partner in making this school the best it can be. I'll be the one who listens to your ideas and help our school a place where everyone feels great. And I'm here to tell you that piliin niyo ang tamang tao. Huwag niyo piliin ang taong pinili mo, pero iba pala ang gusto. Kaya piliin niyo ako as a school secretary and all the members of ELS party. Once again, Elamia Casaberon for secretary. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Miss Elame Castle Beron. piliin ko na ang tamang tao. Piliin ang tamang tao kay murag nakakita na ko nga sa mga students ni Saka sa babaw nag-open sa mga room. Go down now here in 1, 2, 3. Ganong nabalik man. O pamata na naman o campaign. Is close ng door. Napay nasa sud sa klase. Napay nasa sud sa classroom. Pamanta na naman o campaign. Ganong nabalik man. Alright. Let's hear from the other party.
From Equal Voice Party, Secretary Christian Amoto, a grade 11 student. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. Good babaeng morning. Bitaw, ako di ay si Christian Goli Amoto of grade 11 UMS, running for the position of SSLG Secretary under the banner of EBP, Equal Voice Party. My fellow students, I ask your trust and support in electing me as your SSLG Secretary and the School Council. I promise to be dedicated, approachable, and proactive in addressing your concern and aspiration. Together, we shape a school community that thrives in collaboration, inclusivity, and excellence. Thank you for your time. And remember, your voice matter. Vote Christian Amoto, because together we can make a difference. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Christian Amoto from grade 11. Alright, now we are down to our last two important position in our SSLG in this school year 2025 to 2026. Without further ado, I am thrilled to introduce to you the candidates vying for the position Vice President of our SSLG in the school year 2025 to 2026.
Each one of them brings a unique vision, leadership qualities, and a passion for making a difference.
First up, we have from the party Empower, Lead, and Succeed, we have the candidate running for Vice President. We have Hannah Nicole Saluberes, a student from grade 10. Let's give her a round of applause. Good morning, everyone, and happy Valentine's Day. I am Hannah Nicole Saluberes, running for the position of Vice President. My experience as a classroom and school officer has equipped me with the leadership skills to effectively serve all students. But true leadership isn't about doing everything alone. It is about collaboration. So, vote wisely and vote those who really deserves the position. And if I elected, I will work with you and I will listen to all your concerns and ideas to have a better school experience. Again, vote wisely and vote those who really deserves the position. I suggest you to vote my team, ELS Party. ELS stands for Empower, Lead, and Succeed. Again, I am Hannah Nicole Saluberes, running for Vice President. Thank you and happy Valentine's. Alright, happy Valentine's Day Putlang. Announcement, may I call on the representative for Mr. and Miss Valentine's to proceed here on the backstage because we will have a bit paso-paso po din sa tubangan after our general campaign. Thank you.
Next candidate from Equal Voice Party, Vice President Jane Robbie, a grade 11 student. A big hand, please.
A pleasant morning to each and everyone. To those who don't know me yet, allow because to make our school campus positive difference. Dili for fame na i-power sa school or what? Or sa pa yung pakingon biha. I want to make our school better. Being part of SSLG officers is not easy. Yes, dili na siya easy kay daghan of responsibility. And lisod i-handle ang mga students. Kita, but I'm here, ready to listen to all of your concerns to ensure our school is a place where everyone feels valued and supported. Di ko mo promise because promise turns to sorry. But I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities to our campus. Choose someone who will fully help to our school. Choose what your God is choosing. Pili ato kung para ninyo deserving siya. Dili mo mag-matter sa inyong barkada kung kinsa inyong gibutaran. Before I end this speech, I want to give some quotes. According to John C. Maxwell, leadership is not about titles, positions, or flowcharts. It is about one life influencing another. In short, kita ra sa gawin sa future sa atong eskwelahan. Manaa may posisyon o wala. So